Bullish capitulation, bearish capitulation, true highs, true lows, false highs. What is that all about? I am Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com, and today is December 11th at about 5:16, and the markets are now closed. I'm going to take a few minutes and explain these concepts to you, and they very well may help your trading life. To be a good trader, though, you must be patient, passionate about what you're doing, disciplined, certainly have some risk capital, and did I say patient? Let me show you something. This chart is a chart on the ES futures contract. It has a simple Bollinger Band and something that we call the percent B, or what John Bollinger calls the percent B. See this point right here? This marked the last true high. And if I put my cursor there and you look in that window, you see the high at 60.13, which is the high of this bar right there. That is the true high. But you do notice that we went higher, and then yes, we pulled back. And then yes, we've gone even higher, and we closed higher today. But look where the percent B is. We're way down here. What's taking place is something that we call a false high. This is, and I'm going to get a marker, this is the true high. And you can see the percent B is going this way. The momentum is actually going down, while the price is doing what? Going up. See, it's been going up. That is divergence of momentum. The divergence of momentum is one of the few precursors to a change in direction. It may not happen immediately tomorrow, but it's going to happen, and it's going to happen really soon. We see this over and over again, but it does take time to unfold. So hopefully you are a diversified trader, and you understand how to trade in proportion, and you understand maybe how to trade options so that you can exploit the opportunity. Because what we're seeing here, particularly today, is people who got short maybe down in here, people who got short in here, and what are they doing? They are capitulating. They are giving up. And as they close out their positions, they are producing the buying. But this buying won't be sustained because it doesn't represent the true high. This is bearish capitulation. Now let me clear, and I'm going to show you the other markets because they're all doing it. Look at the Dow. Here the Dow has been weak the whole time. We didn't even get a capitulatory move. It was this area here was the false high, and look what it's doing. The NQ, this was the true high back here, 21,253. But we are higher. Look where the percent B is, much lower. This isn't going to stay here much longer. We will be seeing the bears capitulate that got short too soon or in the hole. They'll give up, exhaust their buying, and we'll be right back down the other side. The Russell, same thing. The true high was back here, and we went higher. And if you knew what we know and what we're showing you today, you would have been just fine, and it is going lower. The VIX is showing us what? This is the true low in the VIX. And it's usually the inverse of the S&P and the NASDAQ. But the VIX has gone lower in price, but the percent B has not. This represents a false low. So we would expect the VIX in the not too distant future days to begin to rise. And if that rises, that will confirm with the false high on namely the S&P and the NASDAQ. I am Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. We invite you to visit our website. We are a mentor for those traders that want to get away from the emotions of fear and greed and begin to trade mechanically, or what we call robot assisted, where they can maximize their time, their capital, their profits, while minimizing the emotions of fear and greed. You can call me any day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. at 813-758-8263. Good luck, everyone.